Hi, my name is Elena. I am an AI generated. I was created using Canva. Watch this video to see how.
I'm going to be showing you how to create this kind of video. The video you just watched now. Let's go. This is my Canva interface. I'm going to go to Canva AI. Come up here and select Canva AI. In Canva AI, there are different options. You can create video and a lot of things. So I'm going to click on create a video clip. I'm going to choose my style, my aspect ratio, my duration, framing, lightning, and all that. So let me start with style. I'm going to use this first style, cinematic. Aspect ratio, I'm going to use 16.9 aspect ratio. There is also other options of aspect ratio, but it's not yet in use. That one is coming soon. 9.16 is coming soon, but for now, the only available aspect ratio is 16.9. This is the YouTube video aspect ratio, also known as landscape. Duration, I'll select my duration. In Canva, you can only create an AI video of 8 seconds for now, but other duration is going to be in Canva. You can only create 8 seconds video, but there is going to be an adjustment in no distant time. You can see here custom duration coming soon, but for now it's only 8 seconds video that is available. I'm going to select 8 seconds. This framing, I'm going to check. This framing is a different shots. How do you want the video to be? There is wider shot, there is medium shot, there is close-up shot, there is over-the-shoulder shot, there is point of view shot, there is top-down shot. I'm going to use the wide shot. Then lighting. There are different options. There is soft lighting, there is hard lighting, there is dark lighting, there is golden hour, there is cool and night lighting. I'm going to select soft lighting. I love soft light. I love soft things. Right now, it is time for me to drop my prompts. I have already created my prompts. I'm just going to paste my prompt right now. If you don't know how to create prompts for your videos, do let me know at the comment section. I'm going to create another video about prompts, about prompt generation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. So let's continue. I'm going to click on Ctrl V to paste my prompt, and this is my prompt. Create a video of a professional looking white woman in her 20s, Elena, in a modern corporate tech office. She should have a friendly and approachable smile. She says, "Hi, my name is Elena. I am an AI generated. I was created using Canva. Watch this video to see how." I want to explain one thing to you. When you're giving AI prompts, you have to describe what you want. In this prompt, I'm telling the AI to create a video of a professional looking white woman in her 20s. You have to tell the AI the color, the skin color, or the race of the person you're generating so that it's not give you the wrong video. And also the age. If you don't put the age, AI can give you the age of it can give you the age of a child, it can give you an elderly person, and that might not be what you want. I told the AI the gender, I wrote a woman so that it not give me a man. I also described the environment, which is a corporate tech office setting. You can also describe if you want her to be sitting or want her to be walking around. But I did not add that in my prompt, but it's also good to add it if you want. I also said she should have a friendly and approachable smile. I described the facial expression for the AI to give me someone that is smiling, that has a friendly face, not someone that is frowning. You can also go ahead to describe what she's wearing to the AI, but I just don't want to do it. In your own, you can do that. So I'm going to send this to the AI. Submit. So AI is generating our video. It usually takes like let me say less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes to create. All right, this is our video. This is very beautiful. I'm going to play this video to see what we have. Hi, my name is Elena. I am an AI Did you see that? Let me increase the volume so you can hear it very well. Let me play the video again. The volume was low. Hi, my name is Elena. I am an AI generated. I was created using Canva. Watch this video to see how. Did you see that? This is how to create AI video in Canva. It is very simple and super easy. It's not hard. So if you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information. Don't forget to watch the video on step-by-step Canva tutorial for beginners. The link is at the description of this video. And also, do you want me to keep talking about Canva, or which other topic do you want me to discuss in my channel? Do let me know at the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.